Okay, we are identifying some tribal marks with henna. Starting with this. So henna, uh, what is this tribal mark?
Pele comprises 1 to 4 vertical incisions on the side of the cheek. There are different types of Pele tribal marks depending on where they are found. For instance, HHR and Uwu.
Okay. What about this one?
This is a special Pele tribal mark comprised of 6 vertical incisions.
Okay.
It is called Pele Uwu. It is used among the Uwu people of Ogun State, Western Nigeria.
Ah. Okay, it's another one here. So, what about this one?
This tribal mark is called Pele Ondo,
Ondo.
popular among the Ondo people of Western Nigeria.
Ah,
It is a single, long incision on each side of the face.
okay. All right, now another one here. Yeah. So, what do you think about
This
this?
is Gumber. Gumber comprises 4
Gumbo.
vertical incisions that run from the head to the cheek, then
Ah,
another 4 horizontal at the base.
ah,
It is popular among the people of Oyo State of Western Nigeria.
ah. Okay, about another one here. This one. So, what do you think about
This is
this?
Abajan.
Ah,
Abajan is a tribal mark peculiar to the Oyo people of southwest Nigeria.
ah.
It is also popular amongst the Oyo people. It usually consists of 3 or 4 horizontal marks on each side of the face. Some people also add another 3 vertical marks to it on each side, making a total of 11 marks per side.
Wow. Hi. Okay.